So I have a tiny piano here. You know, there are different forms of piano. There is grand piano. That's not grand. That's tiny. Then there is upright piano, and there's downright piano. So up here it looks like a few strings. We'll talk more about that in a moment. And one can look through the plastic of the piano. There's no battery inside. Now it's an upright piano. And watch. I'll turn it. Now it's a downright piano. Here comes the bad guy. Oops. It also can be used as an upright piano. Just set it outside in the sun. Wherever the light comes from, that's where energy conversion takes place in what looks like strings. These are no strings. What could it be? Photocells. Okay, very good. So, more energy conversions coming up. Here's one. So, from electricity to motion of the fan blades, and then from motion to wind energy. Let's find that in the chart. So, we had already the electromotor, and from motion to wind energy. That's down here in the corner. That's a fan down here. So all forms of energy can be converted. We did it already the first several times. Rubbing hands, steam engine, or generator electromotor. Here we have an energy conversion. So that's the opposite of the fan. So here, from wind energy to energy of motion, rotation. More. Okay. So that is from wind energy to motion. A useful energy conversion for us. So as a toy, it's a pinwheel. Practical, it's the windmill. Windmill to pump water, grind grain. So, okay, while we're at it, I want to show a few more. From thermal energy to sound energy, the hiss of boiling, when I boiled the water earlier. From thermal energy to chemical energy, that is cooking, so the chemicals are changed. Cooking and baking. Thermal energy is invested in chemical energy. So when we strike with a hammer on something real hard and a spark flies, that's conversion of motion to light. The light of that spark. Here's another one that we had in the course. From chemical energy to motion, that is used in a rocket or also with the gasoline in the car. Electric energy to chemical energy, that's when we charge a battery. Because chemical changes are taking place inside a battery. the heating element on the stove, heating element on the stove, the coil that converts electric energy into thermal energy. Okay. Thermal energy to wind energy, that's the weather. Down here. So another energy conversion from the microphone that is from sound energy to electric energy, and that can be amplified and fed into a loudspeaker. So that's the opposite. Microphone and speaker are opposite energy conversions. Here's another energy conversion. From energy of to energy of sound. So drums, percussion. Okay. An explosion is also from chemical energy to a lot of sound. And photosynthesis that the plants do is from light energy to chemical energy. That's where the light energy is stored. And coming up, wind instrument is a energy conversion from wind energy to sound energy. That's all we have for today. See you all on Wednesday.